Dan Martell is a self-made entrepreneur who built his success from the ground up. He taught himself to code, founded and sold 3 tech companies, and in 2012 was recognized as Canada's top angel investor. Forbes later ranked him among the top 10 business people in the world. After nearly 3 decades in the business world, Martell has distilled his experience and the wisdom he's learned from billionaires and top performers into 9 essential money rules. These rules are not theory. They have tested principles that helped him build real, lasting wealth. Money Rule 1. Your salary won't make you rich. Your habits will. Dan stresses that many millionaires never earn more than $100,000 a year. It wasn't their salary that made them wealthy. It was their ability to manage money wisely and make it work for them. They understood that how you handle your money matters more than how much you earn. The key? Investing. If you're not investing, you're not building wealth. Money Rule 2. Live on less and save like your life depends on it. Dan lives on just 10% of his income. While that might sound extreme, he encourages others to follow the same path. In the beginning, you might save 40%, but with time and discipline, you should aim for 60%, 80%, and ultimately 90% of your income. The more you save, the sooner you'll achieve financial freedom. Money Rule 3. Always prioritize investing over spending. Most people work to buy things. The middle class often buys things on credit, but the wealthy, they invest their money into assets that will continue to grow. Wealth isn't built by purchasing things, it's built by purchasing income-generating assets. The mindset shift from consumer to investor is where the magic happens. Money Rule 4. Build a safety net. One of the smartest things you can do is keep at least 6 months' worth of expenses saved up in a liquid savings account. When life throws you a curveball, you'll be ready. Having a safety net means you won't have to scramble or make impulsive decisions when things go wrong. Money Rule 5. Never take on debt that threatens your freedom. Taking out loans to improve your lifestyle is a dangerous game. Dan advises against borrowing money to keep up appearances. Debt should never put you in a position where you lose your financial independence. Instead of using credit to buy liabilities, focus on investing in things that bring in more money. Money Rule 6. Invest in yourself. Before you start investing in stocks or real estate, invest in your personal growth. Learn new skills. Upgrade your knowledge. Dan believes the best investment you can make is one that increases your ability to generate income. As your knowledge grows, so will your earning potential. The richer your skill set, the less dependent you'll be on traditional income. Money Rule 7. Only invest in what you know. You don't have to be an expert in everything, but you should never invest in something you don't fully understand. Dan warns against getting caught up in trends or investing in things you haven't researched. If you can't explain it, don't fund it. Trust your experience and knowledge. It's your best asset. Money Rule 8. Treat your family like a business. Think of your family as a business. You bring in money and you spend money each month. If you're not saving money at the end of the month, your household is losing. Just like a business that's not profitable, your family's financial health depends on tracking revenue and expenses. Make sure there's a surplus at the end of every month. Money Rule 9. The goal is not to hoard wealth. Money is a tool, a resource to help others. Dan has seen wealthy people who are financially rich but spiritually poor because they keep all their wealth to themselves. Wealth isn't meant to be hoarded. It's intended to create opportunities for others, build networks, and make a difference. True wealth is measured by your ability to contribute, not just accumulate. These rules are simple but powerful. They're a blueprint for not just surviving financially, but thriving. If you want to be more than just someone with a high income, start with these 9 principles. Apply them and watch your financial world transform.